Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Google Sheets. So you can connect Etsy to Google Sheets to automatically pull your Etsy orders, listing or sales data for reporting and analysis. Okay. What you should know is Etsy does not have a native Google Sheets integration, but you can do this using the third-party tools like Zapier, okay? And now, you will need to go with zapier.com, create an account or sign in with an existing one, and then just go with create button or option that's located at the top left corner of the page. And then just go with Zaps option, it's the first one on that menu. And here, you will be presented with two different methods. The first one is the EI built-in, and second one is the manual method. So here, you can go with set or build Etsy as a trigger and Google Sheets as an action. Okay, and then all you need to do is to go and click on start building. If you prefer the manual method, you will need to click on trigger right here and then just go Etsy, and as far as I know you will need to have the premium version of Zapier to find Etsy right here to select it. And then you will need to go with action and look for Google Sheets right here and then just select it. And afterward you will need to go with action events right here, and you will be presented with multiple actions, so you will need to choose, and that's up to you. Okay, so you can go with change sheets properties, so clear spreadsheet, rows, copy range, copy worksheets, create condition for meeting rule, etc. And then just go with accounts right here, click on sign in and sign in with your account, with your Google account of course. And then just go with test run, then publish to turn that Zap on. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.